let people say it, they want to hear it. He's hiring a girl to come and twerk.
Yes.
For his album.
No, it's not the number. It's a gospel album. It's a gospel album launching.
A gospel artist.
Yes.
A gospel artist hired a lady to come and twerk.
Yes.
It is gospel
album launching. Exactly. It's a marketing strategy. You know, it's a modernized way of promoting music and all this.
Exactly. See, let me tell you something.
Tell me.
I don't see anything wrong with that. Even the Bible said, all things bright and beautiful, the Lord God made them all.
But bro, I think the way she was working, bro, it's not normal.
Oh. See, let me.
The combination is like angel.
What do you know? You are arguing with me. Look at this one. you that they gave birth to which day? Year 2022. You are arguing.
Okay.
Let me tell you something.
Doctor, please.
Listen. See, let me tell you something. These are all strategy. You understand me now? Bringing in somebody to come and shake the bubble. According to my people, we call it uku. You don't know that one.
Oh, Timaya, I know that one. But for that one,
let me tell you something. When you bring people like that to come, there's nothing wrong with it. Is it because he's a gospel artist? See, let me tell you something. Like I said before, the Bible says all things bright and beautiful, the Lord God made them all. So if we cannot enjoy the creation of God, what God has created, what else would we be enjoying?
Okay. One moment. Let us see the video, and then after I want to hear your opinion again. If you still stand to your opinion,
let us see the video.
Please, let's see the video.
Live 2 p.m. See me. Shake your body. Shake your to my radio. What I see.
I will say, Yamijuma, I will say,
they tell me, say, Yamijuma, see you now, baby. What I say? You know, it's not bad. Shake your body. Shake.
Sunday, we are on the moon share. Oh, cultural center 2 p.m.
So okay, my guy.
So
you see, after you saw the video, you even have to take a drink. You need a sip because it was not the normal album launching.
You know when you said it the first time.
Yes.
You just said it. It's coming to twerk. You're not going to details. So I didn't. Now I've seen the video. Now I know what exactly is going on.
Okay.
That girl is not just coming alone to come and twerk. She's actually coming to come and confuse the man of God. Let me tell you.
You understand? Now you understand.
If I was there and that kind of you know what I mean? That kind of album, thank you. Even the girl herself, she is doing our album.
Please come again.
She is even doing our launch. She is launching a bubble. Do you know on that day, people that are there, they will leave the city and they will launch the yash.
That's what we are all complaining about. It don't fit together. Big Nash twerking and gospel album, it don't fit together.
Will you keep quiet? How can you say that? So let me tell you something.
Sorry, Dr. Professor, sorry.
The song is launching, the yash is launching. You understand that? So if I am there, personally, I am going to launch for both. If I am bringing my money, I will launch 30% for the city and 70% for the cash.
This guy, you are a Christian, you go to church every Sunday.
This has nothing to do with Christianity. You understand? It has nothing to do with Christianity or after all, it was God that created it. Is the girl created by Satan? No. It's God that created her. So she's a daughter of Zion. You understand? And we are laborers in the vineyard. If we do not support people like that, who will support them? So I am very, very okay with that idea of bringing a beautiful lady like that to come and shake it, mama. Please, can we look the video again?
Of course, please. I think
this guy is very interesting. Please, let us watch the video one more time. Wow, very good idea. Now I know how these people make their money. No wonder the last guy that did his apology, he just came there, he was singing, oh nana. There was no
dry
nothing,
somehow,
it was very dry.
It was too dry.
There was nothing that was doing waka. There's nothing was doing, nothing was going on. So he didn't get money. For this one, I am very, very sure he will make the money that he has planned to make. And
No wonder the gospel industry was dying. The gospel, yeah.
Can you give me the address of the place so that I
Bro,
can
for
go
this-
and launch the CD?
You have to launch in that gospel. She only works with gospel artists, but my guy, please. You have to be a gospel artist to work with this kind of people.
I used to be a gospel artist.
You used to be. See, please, give me.
You don't
I'll give you 2 minutes to explain this. Just 2 minutes.
It's okay. It's okay. Viewers,
Producer, please. Producer, please.
I will say the matter. Please don't forget the address. I beg. I will need it. Let me go and launch the album.
Don't worry, my guy. Me self go assist you. Me myself go assist you.
I know
Go
you.
find that.
I know you're a bad guy.